I went viral in 24 hours and got monetized within a week. I used no clickbait, no ads, and no fancy camera. And today I'm going to be sharing with you how you can do exactly what I did. Most creators spend months making videos that never get seen. You may be asking why. And there's a few reasons. They may be trying to be perfect, copy other creators, or posting stuff without a hook. Stop doing that. I'm going to be sharing the exact system that I used. Number 1, trends with a twist. I found trending shorts and flipped the idea. Instead of how I made money today, I would do a video of why didn't I make money yet? And that contrast made people curious. So if you see a trending short, remake it, but make it your own. Like I said, make a short, do a trend, add a twist. Step number 2, which kind of goes along with number 1. Shorts first. I posted 2 to 3 shorts per day. They were simple, fast, and high energy. You can also recycle your content. I reuse my content from TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. So the things that I record and post on TikTok, I also save to my camera roll without a watermark, upload it to Instagram Reels, as well as my YouTube Shorts page. And that will also help you to not be burnt out so easily or so fast. And by doing that, my views exploded on all platforms, but especially on YouTube. And step number 3 would definitely need to be your titles and your thumbnails. You want a catchy title and a catchy thumbnails with no clickbait, because that's like playing with your audience's feelings, and you never want that. You want to be authentic. You want the title of your video to go along with what your video is about. So like this video is about monetization and how to go viral. So my title is about how to go viral and monetization on YouTube. Your thumbnails need to be something catchy, something that you see it and you want more. Like it brings in your viewers. Okay, getting monetized fast. Here's what actually gets me paid. Not only do you get paid from YouTube and other social media platforms, but also doing other things like promoting products for brands, using affiliate links and things like that. But ways that creators make money are brand deals, partnerships, social media views, selling digital products, selling merch. Personally, I don't sell merch or digital products. I do work with brands occasionally. What I would do differently, if I was to start over with a brand new channel, start today, here's what I would do. Don't wait, start posting today. Why wait when you can post now and get yourself out there? I would post 3 shorts per day for 30 days in a row. And I would really focus on my hook, my quality, and my value of the video. Also, make sure that you are checking your analytics, because say you post one video and it doesn't do good. Well, then you can tell that maybe your audience just isn't interested in that type of content. So you post another video and that gets 10 million views. Keep making that video. Brand it. Literally brand it. And what I mean by that is make that type of video that worked for you, make it yours. As in, make people know this is the girl, or this is the guy, or this is the person who is known for this. Taylor Swift, she's known for singing. She got famous for singing. Miley Cyrus, she's a singer, but she's also known for acting. So make something yours. Make something where people know you for. I really hope this helps, and I wish you all the best in your monetization and your content creation journey. I hope that you get monetized super soon, and that you have all the success that you deserve. I love each and every one of you, and I'm so glad that you've been here with me. I am also thinking about making a content calendar and posting it for you guys. So if you want that, let me know by giving a big like and a subscribe. And if you want more videos on how to monetize and how to make money on social media, make sure you comment. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll be back. Bye.